morning and thank you for listening this Friday, the 13th of August. I'm Sophia Mavridis, a market analyst at Bell Direct. Australian shares were trading higher yesterday, supported by strong earnings reports. The communications services sector led the market with a 2.3% advance after Telstra's share buyback announcement. NAB was the only one of the major four banks to close higher. NAB gained 0.2% at the close after releasing strong third quarter results, which saw 10.3% growth in cash earnings. US equities closed higher overnight, with both the blue chip Dow Jones and the S&P 500 closing at record highs. The Dow rose 0.04% and the S&P 500 rose 0.3%. Among the S&P sectors, tech and healthcare shares outperformed, while energy, industrials and minerals fell. The tech-heavy Nasdaq closed 0.3% higher. As for what to watch today locally, this morning the AEST 200 is set to open in the green. The futures are suggesting a rise of 0.4% or 28 points to 7,526 points. In economic news, yesterday consumer inflation expectations decreased 3.3% in August, which was below expectations of 3.8%. And today, new home sales data for July will be released at 2 p.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time, expected to increase 13%. Now, Baby Bunting BBN released their full year 2021 results this morning. Total sales increased 15.6% to $468.4 million. Statutory net profit after tax increased 76% to $17.5 million. And the company announced a fully franked final dividend of 8.3 cents per share. That is a full year dividend of 14.1 cents, up 34.1%. Commonwealth Bank CBA was one of the most traded stocks by Bell Direct clients yesterday. CBA fell yesterday after a week on an uptrend and after hitting a record high on Monday, following the release of a strong earnings report. CBA is a Bell Potter buy stock, while other brokers are bearish. CBA is a Macquarie and Morgan Stanley sell stock, and Citi released a report yesterday downgrading CBA to a sell as well. Rio Tinto RIO was one of the most traded stocks yesterday as well, after trading ex-dividend yesterday morning. RIO are paying shareholders fully franked dividends of 760.06 cents per share. RIO closed more than 1% lower yesterday, and overnight the UK-listed Rio Tinto dragged down mining stocks in Europe, falling 5.5%, while RIO's US-listed shares fell 1.7% in New York. Moving to commodities, the oil price fell 0.5% to $68 a barrel after rising the two previous sessions with concerns of rising COVID-19 cases in China. The gold price edged 0.1% higher, and the iron ore price is trading 0.7% lower at $167 a ton. Now for some trading ideas for your consideration. Bell Potter have a buy recommendation on Lycopodium LYL, a provider of full life cycle services to the mineral processing industry. Bell Potter have reduced their price target on LYL from $6.50 to $6 as ongoing COVID-19 restrictions increase operational difficulty. LYL have 30.2% capital growth in the year. And bullish charting signals have been identified in Challenger Exploration, CEL, Deterra Royalties, DRR, and Corporate Travel Management, CTD, and that's according to Trading Central. And that is all for this morning. Have a great day, stay safe, and happy trading.